Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You stop on the last stitch of the old color, leaving the final loop on the hook so the fabric stays tidy. Make a 6/8 cm tail and cut the old yarn. This gives you enough to weave later. Then form a slip knot with the new color and place it on the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull the new color through to complete that stitch, and secure the join with 1 or 2 slip stitches so your first row of the new color starts cleanly. Once the new color is on, you weave both tails under the wrong side for about 3/4 stitches using the hook or a tapestry needle so they stay hidden and secure. If you plan to use the old color again soon, carry it along the wrong side, catching it every 2 to 3 stitches to prevent snagging or uneven tension. Make sure to keep your stitch height consistent when switching. Pull the new yarn snug but not tight, because tension differences cause puckering or loose loops. You finish by weaving all tails into the fabric at least 4/6 cm, following the path of stitches so the ends lie flat and stay secure, then trim flush. If a gap or hole appears at the color join, close it with 1 small single crochet into the gap or use a duplicate stitch to cover and tighten the area. Once done, block the piece gently to even out tension and set the join. If seams still gape, reweave the tail and tighten the first join stitches slightly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.